How Carlos Slim became rich. Carlos Slim is a Mexican businessman and philanthropist who is widely known for his vast wealth and business success. As of 2021, he has a net worth of over $70 billion, making him one of the richest people in the world. Born in Mexico City in 1940, Slim began his business career working for his father's real estate and retail businesses at a young age. He went on to study civil engineering and mathematics in college before starting his own brokerage firm, Inversor Bursátil, at the age of 26. Slim's entrepreneurial spirit and focus on value investing have enabled him to build a diverse and successful business empire that spans industries such as telecommunications, banking, mining, and retail. He is known for his long-term thinking and willingness to hold investments for many years to maximize returns. Additionally, his acquisition strategy of acquiring controlling stakes in companies has allowed him to gain more control and influence over their operations. Studying successful entrepreneurs like Carlos Slim and their wealth-building strategies is important because it can provide insights and inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and investors. By examining the decisions and actions of successful business people, we can gain a better understanding of what it takes to build wealth and achieve success in the world of business. Early life and career. Carlos Slim was born on January 28, 1940, in Mexico City, Mexico, the son of Julian Slim Haddad, a successful businessman of Lebanese descent, and Linda Helouada, a Mexican of Lebanese Syrian descent. Julian Slim owned a real estate and retail business, and Carlos Slim began working for his father at a young age, learning about business and finance. Slim graduated from the National Autonomous University of Mexico, UNAM, with a degree in civil engineering in 1961, and later earned a master's degree in mathematics from the same university. He began his career as a stockbroker in Mexico City, where he founded his own brokerage firm, Inversor Bursátil, in 1965. Slim's business interests expanded in the 1980s when he acquired a controlling stake in the cigarette manufacturer Cigatam. He also invested in various industries, including telecommunications, mining, banking, and retail. He became the majority shareholder of Telmex, Mexico's largest telecommunications company, in 1990, and went on to acquire other telecommunications companies throughout Latin America. In addition to his business ventures, Slim has been involved in various philanthropic initiatives, including the Carlos Slim Foundation, which supports healthcare, education, and cultural programs in Latin America. Slim's early exposure to business and finance through his father's businesses, combined with his education in civil engineering and mathematics, provided him with a strong foundation for his career as an entrepreneur and investor. His ability to diversify his investments and take calculated risks, combined with his long-term thinking and focus on value investing, has enabled him to build a successful business empire that has made him one of the wealthiest people in the world. Business ventures and investments. Carlos Slim's early investments and business ventures in the 1960s and 1970s were largely focused on the Mexican stock market. In 1965, he founded his own brokerage firm, Inversor Bursátil, which quickly became one of the most successful brokerage firms in Mexico. Inversor Bursátil's success allowed Slim to begin expanding into other industries and to acquire controlling stakes in companies. In the 1980s, Slim acquired a controlling stake in the cigarette manufacturer Cigatam, which was struggling financially at the time. Slim restructured the company, reducing costs and increasing productivity, which helped to turn Cigatam around and make it profitable once again. Slim's investments in the 1990s and 2000s focused largely on the telecommunications industry. In 1990, he acquired a controlling stake in Telmex, Mexico's largest telecommunications company. He later acquired other telecommunications companies throughout Latin America, including Telesystem International Wireless, TIW, which he later sold to Bell Canada Enterprises for a significant profit. In addition to his investments in the telecommunications industry, Slim has also invested in various other industries, including banking, mining, and retail. He is the majority shareholder of Grupo Financiero en Bursa, a Mexican financial group, and Minera Frisco, a mining company. He also owns Sanborns, a popular retail chain in Mexico that sells everything from books to furniture. Slim's investment strategy is based on value investing, which involves buying undervalued companies with strong potential for growth. He is known for his long-term thinking and willingness to hold investments for many years in order to maximize returns. He is also a proponent of diversification, which allows him to reduce risk by investing in a wide range of industries and companies. Slim's business ventures and investments have made him one of the wealthiest people in the world, with a net worth of over $70 billion as of 2021. His success can be attributed to his ability to identify undervalued companies with strong potential for growth, his willingness to take calculated risks, and his focus on long-term value creation. Wealth building strategies. Carlos Slim's wealth building strategies are based on a combination of investment principles, business savvy, and long-term thinking. His investment philosophy is rooted in value investing, which involves buying undervalued companies and holding them for the long term. Slim's investment approach involves carefully analyzing a company's financials, industry trends, and growth potential to determine its intrinsic value. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals, a competitive advantage, and a sustainable business model. He also seeks to acquire controlling stakes in the companies he invests in, which allows him to have more control and influence over their operations. In addition to his investment strategy, Slim's success can also be attributed to his business acumen and his ability to identify opportunities for growth and expansion. He has diversified his investments across various industries, which helps to reduce risk and create a stable income stream. His focus on long-term value creation has also allowed him to weather economic downturns and market fluctuations. Slim's philanthropic efforts are also a key part of his wealth-building strategies. He has created the Carlos Slim Foundation, which supports healthcare, education, and cultural programs in Latin America. His charitable work helps to improve the well-being of the communities where he does business, which in turn can help to create a more stable and prosperous environment for his businesses to operate in. Another key aspect of Slim's wealth-building strategies is his willingness to take calculated risks. He has invested in companies and industries that were undervalued or overlooked by other investors, which has allowed him to capitalize on opportunities that others may have missed. He also takes a long-term approach to investing, which allows him to ride out short-term fluctuations and focus on creating sustainable value over time. In summary, Carlos Slim's wealth-building strategies are based on a combination of investment principles, business savvy, and long-term thinking. His focus on value investing, diversification, philanthropy, and risk-taking has enabled him to build a successful business empire and become one of the wealthiest people in the world. Conclusion. Carlos Slim's remarkable success story is a testament to his business acumen, investment strategy, and philanthropic efforts. From his early days as a successful stock trader to his later role as a business tycoon, Slim has shown an unwavering commitment to long-term value creation, calculated risk-taking, and diversified investments across a range of industries. In addition to his wealth-building strategies, Slim has also demonstrated a deep commitment to giving back to society. His philanthropic initiatives through the Carlos Slim Foundation and other charitable causes have supported important healthcare, education, and cultural programs in Latin America and beyond. Overall, Carlos Slim's story is a source of inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and investors around the world. His success serves as a reminder that a combination of strategic thinking, hard work, and a commitment to creating positive social impact can lead to significant achievements and make a difference in people's lives.